just put my lash on. So just have to do the other eye. Look at the difference. Wow. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a soft look. I was invited to breakfast by this girl that goes to my church. I think she's from Australia. Very nice girl. So she wanted us to go to breakfast. So I think that the look that I'm going to do, it's a look that you can at least, you can do for, it's a look that you can accomplish in less than 15 minutes, honestly. Meaning just covering all my blemishes. I cover some of them because I didn't want to shock you guys. But so I'm going to do a less than 15 minutes look. Obviously, I'm going to do some editing, but this look should be accomplished in less than 15 minutes. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe below and stay tuned as I show you the final product. Just even my skin tone, making sure that I cover all my blemishes. You should always drag it to your neckline so that it can look even all across, all around. So voila. Next, well, next I like to do my eyebrows. Some people do their eyebrows after they're, some people do their eyebrows after they're done. I just bought this liner yesterday from Sephora. I liked it. I tried it and I liked it. So always draw strokes of hair so it looks natural. As you can see, I'm doing strokes like trying to fill in my brows, trying to fill in my brows and draw the line. Yep. For the sake of time, I'm gonna just try to do it faster. Wait. Don't worry if you go over because you're gonna clean it up with the brush. So I like to use pencil to draw them in first, and then I can fill them in later with the brush and eyebrow powder. So when I'm in a hurry, I usually don't try to draw or clean the top of my brows. I don't know why. I just do the bottom and usually cleaning the bottom of my brow. And a little bit of concealer can go a long way. You don't always have to put like so much. So I love you. I am a huge fan of Juvia's Place products. So today I'm gonna use Afrique, the Afrique shadow palette, and I'm actually gonna use Cameroon, which is this color right here, and that's actually where I'm originally from. I'm from Cameroon, y'all. If you guys didn't know, I am. So I'm gonna use that to kind of like create like a little coloring shadow, not too much because I'm trying to go natural. I'm trying to do a natural look, so just a little bit goes a long way. Yep. Do it on the other side. Contouring. I always like to contour. I don't know. I just think that my face a little wide, I guess. So I try to contour any chance I get. So we're gonna do the same on the other side. As you can see, no, none. There is none. There is none. There is. Now that I have mascara on both of my, just put my lash on. So just have to do the other eye. Look at the difference. Wow. There you go. There you have it. So a little bit of lip gloss and we are good to go. Yep. Well, actually not lip gloss, a little lipstick. I like this color. It's my favorite. I don't think I want to line my lips. I think this is fine. This is perfectly fine. Maybe a little gloss. Where's my gloss? I can't find my gloss. That's what happens when you travel with makeup. It might be in my other bag. So, just gonna leave it like that. So, this is the final look. My hair's a hot mess, so I'm just gonna probably just tie it up. Yeah, because I have madness going on in there, so I can't reveal it. But anyway, this is the look. It's soft, but yet popping. So, finish. I'm going to use a setting spray. I love the Morphe setting spray. It's really good. It sets your face for a whole day, about 24 hours. So, and voila, all set. Can't wait to share with you guys my next tutorial as I sit here and tell you stories. Trust me, you are going to want to see, or you're going to want to hear what I have to say. I am looking to inspire a lot of you ladies to just jump out there, do your thing, you know, share your story. You can be uplifting someone. You never know who needs to hear it, but I am all here for it. Let's bond together. Let's share stories. Let's just be vulnerable with one another. We have so much more in common. Than I'm ready for my breakfast date with Catherine. Yes. I'm going to have a lot more tutorials coming your way. And if you like this tutorial, like I said, subscribe to my channel. We have so much more in we have